Hello friends, I want to share one of the miracles of the Holy Quran. Informations about the stages of embryo and fetus developments are provided in Quran. In Quran, Allah said that the bones form first, muscles then appear and surround these bones. Until recently, the bones and the muscles were thought to develop together in fetus and embryo. However, the advances in the science of embryology and the field of microscopic examinations revealed that this is incorrect. The data which stated in Quran are absolutely correct. This is impossible to know these data 1400 years ago. This is a clear evidence that the Quran is the words of Allah and is also a proof of Allah's matchless creation. In Quran, in Surah Al-Mu'minun, in 14th verse, the Allah say, I seek refuge in Allah from accursed Shaitan. Then formed the drop into a clot, and formed the clot into a lamp, and formed the lamp into bones, and clothed the bones in flesh, and then brought him into being as another creature. Blessed be Allah, the best of creators.